If you've got an image or any other type of design in Canva and you'd like to export it as an MP4 format, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and change all the details so that your design comes out the way you want it. Let's dive in. So we've got our design here, and what we want to do is select the design. You can actually now open this bottom section over here by clicking on this show pages icon, and here you can actually see that this image can have a duration. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to click on duration over here, and now you can see that it is a 5-second long duration. So if you are exporting this as an MP4, it'll actually play as a video for 5 seconds. You can go ahead and change this by going up to the top here where it says edit timing. You can either use this slider or you can enter a value right over here. Once you're done, you're going to go up to the top right hand side, click on share. You're going to then click on download, and then from here, from the drop down menu at the top where it says PNG, you can actually go ahead and select MP4. You can also change the video quality by sliding this dial to the right. So from 1080 to 4K, you can also slide it down if you don't want it in high resolution. You can then go ahead and tap on download, and this will actually play as a video. If this was helpful, go ahead, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Peace.